Hi friends, it's me, Cookie, and happy St. Patrick's Day to you. And I hope you don't forget to wear some kind of green so you don't get a little pinch. Well, today we're gonna go look at our traps and see if we actually caught ourselves a leprechaun. We set the traps up all last night, and I'm really excited to see if we caught one. Let's go.
Last night when we put this out, there were marshmallows. Now there are no marshmallows. So we definitely know that there was a leprechaun here. It is closed, so there could be a leprechaun inside. I'm going to open it very slowly and carefully just in case he tries to get out.
Here we go. Okay.
What is that? That is definitely not a leprechaun. He gave us hand sanitizer. What a trickster. One trap down, one to go. Let's go and see.
We've got one more trap to check out. I really do hope we got him, because if not, that means the leprechaun got away with all our gold. So let's go check out our second trap. We have to be kind of quiet because I think I saw legs. I think we actually got one this time, so we're going to go really quietly, okay? We're going to slowly and quietly follow his marshmallow list. They must love just the marshmallows. All right, here we go. We're going to the ladder. Now this, I saw little... Oh my goodness, guys, look. I think we got him. All right. We got to be really quiet because I don't want him to get scared. Here we go. We're going to go up the ladder. Whew, here we go, guys. We could have had a... What? What is that? Are you serious? He got us again. That is what he left us. That little trickster. Ah, he got us again. He got us again. Each and every year, he is such a little trickster. If you guys have any great ideas on trying to catch that leprechaun, send them to me so I can try and try again. Well, friends, I had a great time with you today. And again, happy St. Patrick's Day. And don't forget to wear some green so you don't get pinched. Well, friends, thanks for coming back each and every time with me, your friend Cookie. That's Kookie. And that would be me. And don't forget to like the videos and subscribe for more and more fun.